Hey guys, what's up? What's up? You know, it's that time again when we are in the kitchen.
Woo!
So,
Breakfast time,
guys.
which causes us to bond, and its relationship must have bonding.
Alright, so come on over, come and join us. Alrighty.
What for breakfast this morning, baby?
Plantain. So, we're gonna do some crushed plantain and some pick up saltfish, aka codfish. So, we're going to use the ripe plantain. So, these plantain, they are ripe plantain. So, we're gonna use these.
What about
what?
just choose the ripe plantain?
Yeah.
What about green plantain?
Oh, you wanted green plantain?
Can't blame it. Yeah.
So we're going. All right. You can get the green one then.
Yeah, man, ripe on green plantain this morning.
All right, get the green ones then, so we can use so much of the green one we're gonna use though.
As you say,
I mean, I don't want too much green one, do you know?
and I don't want too much ripe one either.
Okay, so
Combination.
the opposite. So
Combination
I
of
want
both.
the ripe, you want the green. All right. So what we're gonna do now? All right. So we're gonna use two green one, and we can use one ripe one because the ripe one is huge.
No problem.
All right. So
Okay.
let's get started. So I've gotten these plantain from a friend of mine. Thank you so much for these plantain, Mr. and Mrs. Hilton. Thank you guys so much. So we're gonna use two. So me I look for the biggest one. We're using two big one here. So pop off one of these,
So
the right
take away
one.
these two
Yeah.
and use this big one. Because I like big things.
All the time.
So that's it.
Yeah, man. Alright guys, so I'm going to just get these all washed. My husband would say I don't need to wash them, but
Yeah. I have to wash them, but I like how you wash them.
I know they're going peeling, but
And the heat kill the germs. But you're going to use the skin of the plantain.
lordy. I'm gonna start with it this morning.
No, I'm going to leave it this morning.
I don't love to wash things. I wash everything, guys.
I'm going to leave it out this morning. I'm going to
Try to wash them.
I'm going to try to control myself this morning and watch you doing the thing.
Alright.
Alright?
Right. So we're doing crushed plantain, right?
Crushed plantain.
Crushed fried plantain.
Okay.
Fried crushed plantain.
Okay. I'm learning.
Alright, so I'm gonna just let me take out my stuff that I'm gonna use to crush them. I have my potato crusher here. So this is what I'm gonna use.
Baby.
And I need my knife.
Grandma never have this when she can't find plantain.
No, my mother never have it either.
So what is this? Crush.
Potato crusher.
Okay, let's see it work. Okay, baby. I'm here to learn this morning.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We're going like you're them big chef. All of a sudden, may I show you a little thing or two in the kitchen. Just start going like say, you're the big chef.
Oh, yeah,
You want to tell me say you're here to learn?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is surprising.
Yeah, big chef, but it's just that, you know. I like the traditional way.
Alright, so what I want to do now, babes, I'm going to set on the
So
saltfish.
it is fried plantain and saltfish. Okay?
So I need my pot.
Food can't prepare without the pot.
I should have put the saltfish on already, but I mean,
Something to can use this morning, guys.
this man love cook food in the morning, you see, for breakfast. But I mean, it's a Jamaican thing, guys.
You see. Have eat healthy, you know. Make your food be your medicine, and your medicine be your food. That way you have to spend at the hospital 2 times. Baby, look like a knife dull.
Yeah, it kind of get like a sharp now, yes.
You're not going to be playing Monday roll, man.
But you're in the kitchen, you know, see?
Well, when we use it operate the right way. I guess maybe because I apply a little more strength.
Yeah.
But anything about it, just tell me I solve the problem.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not just because you say it.
Yeah, look here. Let me do my roll, brother.
You only say that no. When me tell you no, I have to wait a long time. So, let's get over to the planting. Alright, so I have my crusher here.
Crusher.
Yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna mark my planting and peel it.
Banana planting big, powerful.
I love this planting. So let's just toss this in too. I'm gonna crush.
Hold on. I'm not so planting. I'm not sorry do it.
Yes, that's how we baby.
Hold on. Baby, hold on, man. Hold on there. I'm not so planting fry. You see, this is the problem that we're having today. Baby, no. Baby, allow me to fry the plantain this morning and you cook the saltfish. Baby, please.
Let me show you one first. Let me show you what I do now. Look here, you crush it like this. You go like that. You see that? You go like that.
Oh, you want pattern.
That's how you crush it.
Oh, you
mean
want
hold
pattern.
on?
A pattern you want.
No, really? Alright, show me. Alright. How you do it? Alright, show me where you're about then.
You're good, you know. You put the pot on the fire, hot the oil, slice it, put it when it par fry, we take it out, use the same skin, put it in and press it, and then put it in the pot and fry it.
And where you get that?
Grandma. At first, I see one of this one. This is a pretty pattern. It's how when I go to a hotel and you have people come over and you do all them stuff.
Alright.
So allow me to do my thing. So let me go and get the pot.
I can't bother with you now, you know too much. Olden days something. That is it. Yes. You know too much olden days something like that. I don't know which one you want to use. You must know because you tell me how to do the thing. And me know how to do it. So me don't know.
I'm not so frightened. I want to say.
Lord Jesus.
Yeah, man, this is a Dutch pot where you fry things, you know, and you get the oil. You know how you reach a stage, I don't go in a pot no start frying.
Hold on. Do your thing.
Yeah, man. I mentioned about frying it up, about Dutch pot. And I see I have one big old broad something the way I'm frying it too. You don't know what is that.
What is that? That is it. Let me not say anything.
Yes. My oil is in my pot now, so better wash my hands.
Hear me, Lord Jesus.
Are dead.
Lord Jesus.
Yeah, push planting and fry it.
But I always use it just because you don't come in the kitchen, so you don't know say me use them something there. You don't know that I use. That's what I use. I don't know the olden days things, how them do things.
Yeah, back in supposed to turn our grave, you know.
Whatever.
I want to say, you know, my father used to use some salt water and make it soak in the salt water and take it out and fry it.
So you cut that again?
My way, my style.
I know your way, grandma way.
Yeah, I'm a father. Father was a big cook, you know.
You say, I cut the plant in them in 3. I cut them in just 2 and crush them.
Alright.
But you normally eat it when I do it.
Don't worry yourself.
You just don't know, you just did not know that this is how I do it because you don't come in the kitchen, you don't do nothing in the kitchen.
Daddy. If I don't come in the kitchen, all the food get eaten.
How the food get, when the food done, you come eat the food, baby. Don't talk, no lie on camera, you don't do nothing in the kitchen.
Me eat the food in the kitchen.
So, where do we that now?
What me deal with my thing? So, this is when you're checking the oil, little water.
And wait ready, yeah.
Yeah,
And it's splash up.
Yeah, so you make it well hot. Came back the oil again. A bit of water on your hand.
Lord.
I didn't tell you about
Of course, let me get that. You put that out of order. Don't get too bright now.
yeah, somebody in the kitchen too.
What you going to take out now?
One time I could have gone in my mother. When we never have been put this up now. I could have looked at me now which is salt and which is not salt. You have salt and you have black pepper and this.
Just look at the bottom and you'll see. This is the salt. This one is the salt. Here's the salt.
Grandma turning her grave. I know name for that, no baby. Grandma
Whatever.
turning her grave. Come over to the pot. The actually come
It is hot.
nevertheless. I'm sure what grandma do.
But when I crush the plantain, then I fry them, you guys eat it and say it's nice and everything. So, I mean, we are getting the same result. It doesn't matter where you do it, right?
It matter really.
It matter?
It's the first I have seen one of this. The first. I see it in the jar and I wonder what was the purpose of it, but I didn't know.
Because you're not in the kitchen, that may I tell you?
Can this crush green plantain also?
Well, it may be a little hard to crush the green one.
So it's
But-
enough ripe plantain you fry.
Turn plantain, turn.
Ripe and turn.
Yeah.
Well, my way or my formula, you can crush ripe, turn, green, any one of them.
Brother, do your thing with me, see what you
Alright.
do and just give me a break, not do.
Learn from the boss, brother.
No, these are just some old country style way. You can't go expect me if you know them are old country style here.
I thought you say your mother come from Westmoreland.
Yes.
You sure you never see your mother do that?
I'm not always in the kitchen with her, but no, I'm not see her with it.
Okay. Look at that chop.
What? That thing you're going like you're a big cook now.
I know big, but it's just the traditional way. Let me tell you something.
I bet you a lot of people don't know that you do whatever you say. What you say you gotta do fry it and then do put in the plant in the skin and crush it?
You see, people like when you go for and start to twang when you come back next day, you know.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, man.
Babes, just show me the way how you do this up, man. Do nobody.
Everything you're going to find in a happy.
Not this person here.
You're lucky.
Don't get it twisted. Not this person here. I mean, if you have a new, you can't. So why you cut them up like that?
This one is a little bit harder. You know where I said?
Okay. Okay.
Let's check my pot.
Hey, more the plantain them golden brown, just like how when I look at
You
like
know where
you.
yourself, man.
How you get the
yourself.
golden brown?
I know me the part there, the highlight of the part there. I put in a next piece on the side. You know where yourself, baby. You know where yourself. Just look and learn.
Well,
Right? I agree, you know, things and time change and things invent to make things easy and fast.
of course, I have a lot of cooking gadgets.
But at the same time, sometimes you get back to your roots. Especially when you have the son and your daughter in the kitchen for sure, that's where it go. You know, once upon a time, whenever you saw a fridge in a kitchen, in a store.
I know about that. You don't think you... I know about that. I
Where you know
know.
about it?
I mean, they hang up the meat in the kitchen and the smoke because they use the wood fire, so the smoke cure the meat.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm going here still, but you're right.
My mother,
I'm sure
what
you never see that.
So you can't do it like that. You have to put it in a something. You can't do it.
See that? Oh, that thing happen right now. So?
That's too much salt.
But I don't like it, you know. You tell me to do my thing.
But I don't want so much salt. Then you put it back in the pot.
Put back in the pot.
Hey, but you can't. That's how you're going to do them? You're going to just remove them one from the pot. Oil going to drop on the floor, baby. It can't be like that.
You see, man cook different from female.
Yeah, man, used it. That's more better.
Alright, boss. No problem with that. We're here to share.
To share idea.
But
And you know I don't grow in the country, and you know I really don't know much about any country, nothing. So
this is when they're country now, then pretty something, yeah?
baby, but we come down to the kitchen and me say, alright, we're going to crush planting. You know, could have tell me, say, make you do it your way, you wait until when me go do this something, then you...
Let me do it. But no, what I think this is, I've never seen done that way, you know.
That not even crush good.
Look here. Don't worry yourself. When I show you, say, I saw a thing, do.
I can ask me to just, you know, cause...
Because of what?
I can ask her.
Yeah, man. See, look, brother, nice. Hey! Oh, yeah, say, me a win.
So you don't think you have too much oil there in the pot?
No, man. Yes, guys, this is how I crush my plantain. I don't know about crushing nothing. Anybody remember this way? That's how your parents used to do it.
So you're gonna finish your breakfast, you know? So you're gonna deal with it. You're gonna deal with saltfish and everything then?
No, it was your morning.
Every morning and my morning.
Both of us morning, but you know go.
You know, take over and go on like you're a big chef. You know,
No,
show me.
I show you say there's a different way. Look at this. You know how much energy you know waste up this morning.
Not a energy.
And it's up the fruit.
No, that was good. No.
Look how the fruits are mashed up.
Yeah, because you're going to crush it. You know, you should just allow me and watch and see how me crush my own.
Next time you do that.
Whatever.
So normally you just peel the plantain and show your skin with your method.
Everybody do that?
Utilize the skin. The skin is there for one more purpose. I guess my saltfish is ready, so I can take off one saltfish. You go to the sink, you get rid of the water. Normally when you say to me, I always use ackee with it. We keep the cover on. You know, I do ackee, so I take off the cover.
What a day when me carry in the kitchen say just come help me and we just start this vlogging of breakfast and whatever in the kitchen because you don't come in the kitchen all at all, you know, all of a sudden now, you.
You never know how long time we're going upstairs I said to get ready to go to work. These are the family that you're using downstairs to
Nothing no wrong with the gadgets. You have a lot of different cooking gadgets to help you to make the cooking more easier on us. I do agree it's not all of them I use, but yeah, what are you gonna do now?
Put my plantain and hot plantain to the pot, really.
So that done? That one fry more. I want it golden brown.
Okay, what do you want to do? Remember that now to do the crushing, that has to do with the temperature. Or the oil. So, you can turn up the stove some more.
Yeah, and leave it, let it. Right, this one is getting there. You turn that little one over the corner there? That little one there.
Saltfish time. We use my water to go and soak. And then pick it up. Is there another way?
I don't know if any other way.
Okay. No, you want to change up everything, you know. So I wonder. Lord. People, look at that. Look at that, people. The saltfish not even done prepare already. I know I'm not trying to help myself from not picking the saltfish because I think I'll do the same thing. But
Well,
my mother that's saying no better air, no better barren, something of that sort.
I love saltfish.
Should I pick out what I have trying to have saltfish before? Come on.
Saltfish.
So me catch her. Thief!
At least I have me made with a pot.
Come. Thief with the hot meat or cold meat. Pick the saltfish and leave the saltfish, yeah?
You're not picking for me?
No, cause that was the problem that I think I have. I couldn't
What
pick
problem?
it without eating it. But it's just the same, so you go ahead and pick it.
But you don't love saltfish like me.
It don't really matter. Pick the saltfish. Turn around. Turn around. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Hey, is that right? Yes, baby, please. Let's clean up the saltfish and not eat the saltfish.
Alright. Yeah, I love saltfish.
Oh, you look like you always the saltfish. Huh?
Yeah, the bone. You remove the backbone.
But you use a finger, you don't use knife and pick saltfish.
Baby, you just use the knife and just run across the backbone.
Baby, you use a finger.
Hello, come do it.
No, you do it, you do it.
Hello, me wash off my hand. I'm washing off my hand.
Me go eat it off.
And you love meat, you love
This
meat
is
out
meat?
of pot. You different. You love take away meat out of pot.
See how bad me up?
No, bad you up. You not take away saltfish. You're going.
You sure you want me to eat? You know.
You remove the scale.
Me not terror like, you know.
And what do you know?
Everything I've done prim and pram. All the saltfish bone you come over there so you eat. So, to be better.
We're picking this game, right?
You know,
All I'm going to do is just use a knife to remove it.
saltfish, now get a saltfish bone.
Guys who remember, who eat saltfish bone? I remember when I was little and my mother picked the saltfish. This is what we would have eaten. We would have eaten the bone. You know, she don't throw away the bone. She give us the bone because she know we're going to eat it. Who remember that? You never used to eat saltfish bone?
Yeah, man. If I start eat, him put them out and start eating, I'm not going to left in my pack. You see? You know, good enough.
No, I wouldn't.
Normally, I'm run it and running out instead of mix up everything with something. But I use
But it's still happy.
Yeah, but we are going to mix this. Look at it now.
The scale?
The scale mix up in the saltfish. This one.
No, normally I would have take it up and then just scrape off the scale. Oh, the bird is back. The bird is back. Oh, gosh. You just run gone, can't take out things so you don't let me catch you. What you do?
Man, because your teeth for the saltfish, I monitor my pot and you think them are brown.
It not burn up, it alright.
Yeah, man, and they got to say, look at that now.
It's golden brown.
Brown.
You know what you need? You need a piece of bounty to put in the plate so it can absorb the oil. That's what I would normally do.
That makes sense. I can do that.
So you need to get a piece of bounty.
Problem. One leaf or two?
2. Now we're going to need all more. Get the 3. Take 3. And just fold it and let it thick. Put it in the plate. Right. So I'm teaching you something, right?
Yeah, I'm willing to learn, but
you're going to hear things, you know, the country style. You want to come kill me.
we
the country style.
We may not have bounty, but we have banana leaf.
What you do with banana leaf?
Same like the bunty the brother.
You put the plant and it absorbs the oil?
Yes, I don't really know still. If you not having a run off,
I don't know nothing about that. I don't think it absorbs
come
the
this
oil.
side. I may say, if you not observe it, it make you run off.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I don't think it absorbs
Well,
it.
well, maybe you do a great job as the bunty, but at least it's still the competent job.
You ever notice when the bunty is wet, you can like squeeze out the water out from the bunty and use the bunty again because that's how they make it.
This way, you know, you don't have to use any fashion.
So you put in the finger one them wait until the ripe one fry.
No, no, why? I still planting them.
Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just take this bunty and just cover. And that way you remove some of the oil. And the next frying, you put it on top of this. The next batch of frying, it's going to go on top of the bunty.
Okay.
So you now remove those from the pot.
No. There you go. Each at a time.
So this is the green one.
Yeah.
That don't look like it crushed to me. Crush. Oh, I'm going to zoom in, people. And make one of seeds.
Yeah, this is grandma, you know, grandma. I understand your type of something. See that?
Really crush it, sure.
Yeah. Stamp and go. Can't be saying no other name there.
So,
I'm going for breakfast this morning.
first me here.
Crush too much.
How
Stamp
much
and
pressure
go.
go on this one?
Yeah.
Flat out.
No. The tea never flat out anymore.
So what kind of tea we have this morning now? Oh, this one broke.
What yourself?
That one broke.
You see? You move the fork. So you put the fork.
No move
one
no
place.
fork. No trouble no fork, brother. Brother man. What you say about salt?
The other one, you don't put no salt on it.
I don't want any salt on it. I don't know where you run go for salt and I put salt. I don't want any salt on it.
My father never used to use the raw salt, and use the salt water. Like these waiting to be fried now. And that's soaking in salt water.
Like when mommy fry banana.
Oh.
She cut them and put in the water.
But the green one, them do that way there.
So that crush.
Yeah, man, you
So
know
the
them-
bottom one no crush. Or the
This
bottom
one?
one,
It's a bit thinner.
I see no crush on that, brother.
Do yourself. Right now, we can just see some people might have run water.
Please,
Hey.
please.
Yeah. You know the other name for this?
Fry crush plantain.
No, man. It's a pretty name. Very card.
Oh, you tell me.
Stamp and go. First you hear that, not you?
You come to chat things, you know, because I don't know why you never tell me that thing there, so me can say it.
Stamp and go that is.
You come to kill me this morning.
Yeah.
White name stamp and go though.
Your right stamp, you gone.
No, you give it that name or
Right, man, people call that name.
people call it that.
Yeah.
And one thing we do when you cut banana or anything, why you cut up here so huge? Why you waste, watch, look at this. Why you waste all of this food?
Which one are they happy? The ripe one. Okay.
Okay. Okay, that's what I thought. That's how green plantain peel. It never normally peel
As easy as the
as
ripe
easy
one.
as the ripe one.
So them might be planting a supermarket piece.
Well, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I didn't see it. I didn't saw it.
So all the people them who can peel now, how they get through nowadays?
Please to clean up your area when you are cooking. Your area must be clean.
Don't you wash them this morning? Right.
But look here, you just chew down all the skin. You chew down. Normally, I have my fork would be in like water or something. You just chew down everything because you just take over. So I just leave you alone. Yeah, I don't know.
What's that, man? Not too golden brown, man.
That's what I want then.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can remove them from the pot now. Stamp and go.
Yeah.
Put the plate up more so that the oil doesn't drop on the floor.
I am in lesson class now, peeps.
Not really.
Yeah.
But the oil going to drop on the floor and that will make a mess. Next thing Aunt's going to find that sweetness, you know.
I guess the fire is too hot. So with the racing the pot. So we need to tone it down.
So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a piece of bounty and I'm going to put it on top of that. So that's how I do when I fry plantain. So let me get a piece more bounty. Alright guys, so I'm just preparing some earth season. You know what I didn't take out? I didn't take out a pepper, a big boy. You know we can't do the saltfish without that.
What are those over there?
Those are the sweet peppers. I just cut them up. I just use like a not really a half, just like a piece because I mean,
Color pepper.
yeah, we don't need half or we don't need one because we just two of us.
Piece.
Because you know, no one of this breakfast again.
Young boy and brother.
Yes.
So they do have sweet pepper and bad pepper.
The sweet pepper that you call bell pepper.
Okay. So I call it sweet pepper, it's sweet?
It's not hot. So I'm going to use some garlic cloves.
Which is good for a man.
The garlic clove.
Good for a woman too, you know, but
yeah, then me not eat it too. I'm already eat it raw.
it have more benefit for me.
It have more benefit for man. Really?
You don't know that?
Yeah.
Oh. Come and ask her why you always tell me, say, boy, make sure it's a meat, make sure.
Oh, Lordy. Here we go again.
Here we go again.
I want the best for you, so when I know this stuff, then I know that it is good for you. I just tell you to just, you know, eat it, drink it.
Because you want the best for me, and I want the best for you, the best for me. I mean, no say best for me, is it my best for you?
I don't know about that.
You will ever know. You're so innocent.
I don't know about that. But you don't hear me, you don't hear me all the time. You know, listen, well, you don't listen to me. Just like when you're eating breakfast and I said, don't drink the orange juice first, drink the tea and so forth. Peeps, as we come off a camera, the man drink the orange juice.
I guess maybe enough give me it.
And drink the orange juice and the tea not done.
Don't give me the orange juice then.
Because him have to eat and drink.
Don't give me the orange juice then. Wait till me done everything, give me the orange juice after that. Simple.
I can't do that. You will go take it out.
No, man, I'm obeying my wife in the kitchen.
Hello.
You're obeying me, so I'm obeying
Don't even say that on camera because you have to drink. You have to drink.
Yeah,
So if I don't give him, he's going to go take it. So please.
Alright.
Don't even bother and go there. So in with my garlic cloves, in with my pepper, that's bunny pepper that is. Alrighty. In with my onions. I'm gonna go ahead and put a mixture of my bell pepper and my tomato. And we're just going to saute that up for a minute or two till it becomes succulent, juicy.
Wow.
Alright, so now that my season has released all of that, I'm going to just tip a little of my, you can go ahead and use your favorite season. Right here I'm using a little fish season, and I'm going to tip a little salt. So normally I season my earth season, because you know the saltfish, I mean with the saltfish guys, you don't need a lot of season or anything like that. You don't need a lot of earth season, because the saltfish already has its flavor, right? So this is it. Give it a good mix, and then we are going to just go right ahead and add our saltfish to the pot. Alright. Pepper barrel. Pepper is spicy, really spicy. Alright, so we want to just fry this up for a minute or two. Alright guys, so I'm just straining off my tea.
Oops.
Alright, so what I think we should use, whatever we can use to mix it.
Anything. Can't change if it's so much strength, you can't change it with no lasco, no sugar, no milk.
You're talking about strength.
Normally,
You said the word strength a while ago?
yes, but
Why?
not pertaining to man. The strength of the what do you call it?
Mint?
Mint. Because a lot, I pick a lot.
Oh.
But that is the right thing. Black sugar.
So we're using our own Jamaican sugar.
And when you just use a tubes.
And this is it. I'm going to sweeten that. So you can go and share the plantain them in my plate, you know. Meanwhile, I am doing the tea. You can get the plate and share the plantain them. And I want most of the ripe one. I want a little of the green. I want a little of the green one, yes, but
Yeah, she want most of the ripe ones, so.
So see, just throw them down in my plate.
Yeah, man. We're going to go for knife and fork and position them with size and shape.
You ever have some talk, you know? You can't bother with it. So you're not taking any ripe one?
Yeah, man.
What a sharing this morning.
See, you get more than me.
Really?
Can I count them? Take them out and count them back?
Come here, share the meat, so I take enough meat, enough saltfish, yeah? Yeah,
You know,
enough of
You
saltfish.
sure me tell you one thing I really.
What is that?
When we used to come from school, I come home and look at the dinner table, Mama share. Nobody now asks, whose plate is that, whose plate is that?
Listen.
You see me not even finish it now.
Listen, why?
Not even
Alright,
finished,
sorry.
yes,
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Saltfish time, meat time.
Saltfish look like say, some okra going into that bad.
Well, we never want any okra, no. And you never said that. You
Never
didn't say you
think
want
about-
okra?
Never think about it at the time, but I'm looking at it, you know. That's my plate.
This one is your...
So just leave out the pot and turn everything on it.
No. No work like that.
Yes, it does. If I me just put on my plate flat on the table, use a towel cloth, and then ice it up.
Alright, so I have a pear. I'm going to wash the pear and put in the plate.
Hey, it's a real Jamaican, you know. Everything about is a Jamaican.
But you should have said the planting and better in the plate and just throw the planting in the plate.
Yeah, man, a man thing is real Jamaican people.
Man thing, but there's a woman beside you. Look how you bite off your plant. Look here. You must stop eat watch here. And him do them something here.
Yeah, man, real Jamaican. No pretending around here. You know? Authentic Jamaican. Right now, I know some people have some memories back then, you know?
Yeah.
People say, she do, leave your back in your pot and then take time to
take the camera off of me.
You see me, I say, you think she should out everything, you know? And when I look, she just got to take the big spoon and put it on her plate.
Baby, you know me like saltfish.
That's not it.
Baby, you know me love saltfish. No bother with that. No bother with that. Love saltfish.
Gina, she in the kitchen. Catch her. Is that pity me never catch up on the camera, but I see her. No need your pot, go scoop. When I look, I see the spoon, I come right to her plate.
I'm glad you don't catch me on the camera.
You see where my plate is? You see where her plate is? And see where the stove is on the pot? Just whoops and off your plate.
Why you chat me just do that?
And then I come round at them, but baby, you know me like saltfish, baby, you know me like saltfish. Unfair!
You know me like saltfish.
So do I.
Alright, so I'm giving you a nice pear. I bought that at the market. Nice, lovely pear, right? Alrighty. Look at that.
Good. So she has substitute what the saltfish with the pear, no? Anyway.
This is our breakfast, guys. Breakfast is finished. So we're going to just dive right into this right now. There's bamboo out the plant in them. Them golden brown still. Say something, man, can you want something?
No, I said nothing because...
Why?
You tell me you want them golden brown. No, me do them golden brown. Me not like planting, so. But me do if you come on. Please you.
Alright now, guys, so here we go. So what you gonna do now? You gonna pray?
Serve breakfast first and then me pray.
So you can't take up your breakfast? Me cheer it out, you can't take it up?
Mama serve Papa. So I serve Papa.
Hello, me tell you, I stop the breakfast in the kitchen there anyway.
I think you say I stop serving and make breakfast so because you stop your duty.
What is my duty? Hello, you need to give me breakfast in bed.
Baby, I've done that so many times and you still keep on saying it.
Alright, here's your fork.
You know, I have it on video, you know. I have it on record, but anyway.
Whatever.
Father God knows what is best. Heavenly Father, in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, we come before you with a cheerful heart, telling you thanks for the many blessings. Lord, we don't take it for granted that we have breakfast this morning. We appreciate that we have breakfast through your wisdom and your strength that you have given unto us. We just want to tell you thanks in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. Baby, I don't think you need any fork.
As
a true Jamaican, a real Jamaican.
I don't have a problem with that, that's how I grow.
Well, I know some me grow, but I know the roots. You may think because I don't know a lot of things about the country thing, you think say, you know, me tushy bushy, but no, I know the real true thing. If you watch my channel, I always even use my hand and say like a true Jamaican.
Baby, is that true Jamaican? Me say nothing without me have a reason, you know. Ask me why.
Why?
You tell me, say, you give me orange juice. I drink orange juice and you have to cut out that, so this is my style when I give me orange juice. But you tell me, say, you're not going to do it. But you say, do it. Not even at their part, but the same time, you say, you're not going to do it.
Because you're going to drink the orange juice, so you're not drinking the tea.
Orange juice this morning, peeps. But,
you see me come off of the camera? He might go show them orange juice.
Yeah, serve breakfast as well with that.
You want me to catch up on the camera and show them, prove it to them?
No, you say, you still not going to make that in the from giving me. But that's how you go.
Oh, that's what I said. Planting them nice, baby. I never know that, man.
See birdie, baby, see birdie.